Entimo kachira say, I will come back. Ni address the issue of Bryan Acheampong. Kwa abeti fear Elon Musk. Aye, because sikani na o chase government MP before mpanimfo no aye MPs no. Na wo chase kabima wo mu. E ma make say meba am ya beka ho asabusi amaba. Ye be de ho komo. Bryan Acheampong wa anya de. Ye be de ho komo. Me ma nchiri mu no akere wa dwan ma me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say ni dey mu. Over like video no that man subscribe button and click the notification icon for latest updates na ba chere wa dwan dey ma me e wo comment expense oba so no say for enya bia share eti enche bia anam din ka bra video me ka chere mo say MP before no omu ko share e ko sign peace agreement pact and I say peace treaty eno no e be boa obi adun say ko share krata ase said e be ya after 31st January no ye ko prime minister no say delegate no e ko to aba ne ba e ko choose the flag bearer obi antimeka say hey mentiase the power we dey support no obi say nsa ko share asumdwe krata ase and bro video on that now no cry no there will be another video because there was a very powerful message here after working any ku for make here but man farm about another me here me video about this sumo as well for the Kennedy after working in fact there were such powerful messages now you know emu no me the Asem be wura mu Emma me can say I will come back to make a video to address it. Me catch it out say I saw a flyer going viral and in the flyer it is stated say I paid 62 NPP MPs from 2021 to 2025 that NPP left office. That NPP went back to opposition and that statement was coming from Honorable Dr. Bryan Acheampong. Me hold that in a flyer and I was like, oh, okay, John is for maybe I will. Obanka say I had that twisted honorable a message. Eti ma me hwe e bi Asem nya video the answer Asem okan. Then I know how to go about that. Now we see I mean never go say okay say okan here because now say we have Bryan Acheampong ni abre pa with the campaign because aka nefuano enso enwotwe na say ye koto aba aka nefuano nwotwe na say ye de abato no ekwa akohyehyɛ so akope flag bearer abedi NPP ntro bia ni abre ebo aprabo kan nsem tere Ghana for delegate no to be precise so omontuma no any other e say why campaign akasa bebre
Now they have cost what dollar no mono. And we now cost what transport. Cosmetics, sir. Ye beboa private sector no na on my year on my knee. Instead of helping the private sector to drive the economy, we are relying on cosmetics. Enti bronya ka ho be ye den. E no kre ewo mu bronya ya nipa bebre shop ni ntika ho ye de ba ankra dwumadie no se sika wo mu botomu a na omo beto cars ni bi no omo de ahe den omo de nye sika bronya na we di aban ntimi amoa ankra bronya ni du ye no na ese metro bus ewo asese wo ni na mesin konkran bus ewo eboga ni na mesin konkran na omo de solve problem ni solve wie ye no na bus omo ye bus na omo anya sika anto aduane bronya no omo say de mo nsanfa bus ni me ye den emegu ho. And because you could not empower the private sector transport owners, and no ne ama cars no anyu yomusi ewo Ghana nkran omunya car emfa. Sa cosmetics no ebinom de aye dollar no. Enye growth, enye development, enye private sector productivity, and air driving growth no. Enti yakotam $10 billion every Bank of Ghana. Edi abeshe economy num 1 year. Dollar no aba.
Na the campaign no e no de ko pie mu se bumso krobi sa bumso me hu house puno me hu puno but say correct there bumso na bumso no mo no ana ne okoto ato ansem obobo le berebe ho kra no otwa ba omi ani kenja kakra
se wu kona wu lusu a e wo se wu de white good team na ko da Nyankopon ase. If you say be a who in ya, the bet 2 or coin muno, and I would Yankupo a day, and you were free. Yankupona Asheda, and you were free. They will lose Ukra no Akoda Yankupo. No answer. Why na walk you look kroboha? Why na wa manya kroboha? Why na wa apamanya? Why na wa soja man? What GDA ewa na kumamu? Say Kennedy win elections na. Abronya anybody who me supporters no. Ebe buano mana win 2028. Why na wa sa GDA? Yensu ye petumi. Why na was I GDA? Why should na what GDA is about me a win here? Kennedy supporters remember Buana Mane win 2028. Why na was I GDA? At the time they are near to opposition, I am the only one that can unite this party for victory in 2028. I'm the only one. At the Ebiana unimni enti wonto aba mame ebia na wo mben mi enti wonto aba mame ebia na me ne won kasada enti wonto aba mame ebia na me ususum kra ni me susum engri ebia na me tenten ya utai ana me ye tietia mawo me srawo Fasanya mani na ato nchen na hwetu mi a wose ye gima ya manyoko no 2028 amu amini omo contest no amu ni na ya de shikunkun enso say ye pobi obetimi unite ye akomamu ni etimi akosa election no ni akọ win a eye Dr. Bryan Acheampong. Dr. Bryan Acheampong Timmy Sramo, Miss Eastern region. Sabi Adina Yayen, and ya Oraku Fontin Yaye. Oh, in your Balbano. Really cool. Menin and Antiacha over 20 years. That's your name, your new name, Top.
what you say we twa omuja about normal anibira ba obi a prebi na ne kasa nto aso no be ka asem bi a eno na mene na nya adwene
Emu 62 members of parliament. Sebi. Near 169, you'll be unable to make your position. Sometimes I'm in a mini post. From 2021, 62 members of parliament
every month will be at 20,000 cedis. 62, 200 million a month. Maybe someone says a bear moving to constituencies. And you say, Minani, send your cry a man who you send your cry a man who you were poor mantema. And the Ghana Henina. Tammy said, but 2 years will be see where we. Nekuono na mepe. Wewe kufuado beda masese. Obeba ben mu bi aniwa se bi oyi sika de boa no se me na me nko aben mu da. Me pe no bo me din wo simpi so de damase. Then the biggest contributor of our party to come to power in 2016. Na me nko aben mu da. Ti utini mani bi wo hono mu a e no ayedi ochina de kwan bi aso be den e beba.
Bryan Acheampong say omo wene akonwa no 2020 no na NPP MPs a omo ewa house honomo over 160 plus emu 62 no omo nyishede nya appointment bia no despite them serving as MP a omo je aketua eje certain allowance enjoy some bonuses bi ni ade enjoy free fuel omun say into last bill che say utility bill omun tia bi state na hwewo mu omun tia la bi into water bill omun bu fuel free of charge. Despite all this sika esagu krumo mu di bosomen eyefika kuma emu bonuses any ade Bryan Acheampong say despite all this no na emu be state to mu hia ne mobo because oman said any appointment bia say if you are a minister for this or a deputy minister for this or a presidential staffer for this oman said any appointment because of that no otam omu go ne ho so amount bia nipa 62 no na omo bia 20,000 Ghana cedis yenye ka it is count 200 million say na make 200 million yenye calculation 20,000 obi nipa 62 so 62 divide by 20,000 multiply 20,000. And for every month, now I spend 1.2 million 40,000 Ghana cedis. It is 12.4 billion for every month. Every month, now spending 12.4 billion. Yeah, a year, I almost say a year, almost 12. Year, be almost 12. And it says it carry times 12. 14.88 million. 14.88 million meaning say 148.8 billion old Ghana cedis for every year. NPP MPs 62 na no tuo mu ka no na adwuma to onzu tuo mu ka free no despite them serving as MP omo ji aketua je ho allowance bibia no no say tuo mu ka personally no sika so no ko be TV sika ko be TV Elon Musk sika on fait ka nya sika to brother first ka nya hwe or say to you team a year they are not spending 14.8 million. You back on Asem. And you to make for 4 years. And in 4 years no, it could see 59.52 million Ghana. It is kind of 595.2 billion. 595.2 billion old Ghana cedis. Now Bryan Acheampong, honorable doctor. Or the Sikawe NPP MPs. And you see, with all due respect, or no now born a bra and sika. And you have never changed one for the sika yet. But who tears was the kind of say for the love of the party. Party no who don't see. Now or far to know so yes, Mediewi. Party no who don't see. Honorable Yamin Shirao, Yadawase, party in Adawase. But a wrong move. And your wrong move. MPs, you no to Parliament House. Oh, yeah. No, yeah. At the end, you car or working as MP or Aketua or G Aketua, Eji allowances, bonuses are who do our Jimmy Nebi. On tia light boon to water bill, on to fuel, or mining to win in our money, to yard and lab in water bill in our name of issue fear your money to ya. Free of charge. na nipa we no osa akwatan 200 million man bosumi bia honorable this is not nice abra ye food soldiers omo ko to aba no food soldiers omo to ma NPP no obi tie kura bi ase de obedi kura wonya MPs for ya wuti omu kai obi nim pa se mi constituency ma mi we onya 5,000 cedis kura na ebe boa na ma ebe tu ni hin ase e ma so ko che ne 5,000 a even kura na se na ote ne kura no ebe timi a convincing kura se fo nyina ma sebe mi nfe ni o matem omo mu tie kura so nyina ma obeka se papa we nipa ene nam papa we nti kura no ado be ya ma mi we no ye beto ma MPP obi papa ya we mu obi no etimi obi fe Ibrahim Mahama eri de mi bon de to ase Mr. Ibrahim Mahama adoya wo ye ma Suzy Penyah man nti no enipa bebre abepe NDC asem because they believe say eye Mahama nua na ya adoya no and oya waya do enye wono no ya adoya man mo onye man no but adoya wo ye ma obi nti no obi abeka se ene papa nti me panasem epe Mahama asem metuma ba ma NDC enti that 20,000 ya wodi mama wo mu pi wo mu so mu di ni di hunu no na nke betimi ka jai wo masem ma wo mu kon omo moto aba obi se baabi ekoma ehwe no obi pe just 2,000 cedis e dey asate bibi apenie ma bi kura gu table so asate aton ne kakra MPC a wodi mo mu omu nim sa afo ni bi omu from kono ma yi omu ni omu nim bi pa na omu ko aprabo omu nim bi pa bo from kono ma yi omu ni don't repeat this mistake and maybe CBM twa mo bo wanya sika se sika we 595 million we anka de bosumi bia anka che ore ka che ma wa constituency MP before honum ka anko obi a meje 5 million manti bi obi a meje 5 million obi a meje 5 million ana de obi a meje 2 million hye no ho na ni beje awu Philadelphia asole no ma bosumi bia 1 million bana still amafo ka se yetua cancel 1 million pe esno mani je ho empenfa de ma wo mi enfa so bia amaso enfa so bia ni so o ka we kura no food soldiers etia ombedwa because aden na ya adwuma ko nya hwini free mu do no na nya adwuma te parliament etua de ka no ono na wo say DP no so 200 million bosimi bia ebei ade bengo abra obi ti baabi na minim da MPs ni bi ana ba so obi a meye ni tin kasa ye ankase be si a blast MP kro no obi mo o de MP na oba o kan say 4-5 days ni NPP MP bi entima be kasa say bia obo ana say ma hye mo obi a be so be nanim dan go yi mo nim na ye hu say ufi constituency we na constituency say ni say na ko so ka beto ka beto mo bete yenka pa ka bete yenka waji ase ohun ubekom na wo mu di bie no omu constituency onimo bia no ho kire no pans won fi wo mu ye tua ne ka bosome na oso o di 20 million firi ha na wo tena so manti bia o transgidi na fu enema ekosi ye ne pebe do be antoaba MP before we be antoaba ni na ye edidijanti na bebere antoaba MP before we be antoaba it don't abo with all due respect e maybe CBM e wo ma ye usika enye be chiro nyansa sebe enye ne be chiro do usika be ye but say the wa ka say e party ni ho do ni nti no ene party ni ho do de no obi atimi kire na adwen kakra e maybe CBM o be cha man panifo de nka foto botom foto kibab newe ade ekura wo ye ibe you man strategy anka do tese bi kwa ha na nka deske nka fa koboa ho anka ni nyina abo kwa MPP in 2004 election anka ni nyina abo kwa publicly what is that man never to be no do 200 million you can ni nyina abo kwa mai ba wo di man kwa fu emudi send kwa ufrem kwa mu fiu edu election dia woni mu after election woni mu bia ufrem kwa no twem no kwa pem na wa bo be pepem no wo so no kwa be o nyina kura na hwe woni by election day there o background so mtu o mu nyina to nse didi anya nice o maji atena so na ka mi hu bia kwa betema so ka beti yenka o media ne so selfish people munku amafu ne hiamo mafu ne hiamo on the this body house on mo yes next time munya ba you take care of your party members You take care of those who brought you to power. You take care of those who push you up there. Mo nyɛ selfish ɛntena so. Honorable yɛda wase. Ɛne wotiri wadwe mpa. Yɛda wase pa but ɛyɛ wrong turn ana ayɛ no. Ɛmɛ bi nsi bi. With all due respect. Ɛmɛ bi nsi bi. Aye. Ɛmɛ bi nsi bi. But sika yɛn ka betumi da yɛ bibi pa ma party no. Grassroots, food soldiers, obi bre per 1,000, obi per 10 million. Create you an rent. Onya bi. So support the party the pay. Support the party even those constituency organizers crowd. Obi more bro enya sem ko obi more bro enya easy. Keska we betima enema bibi abo party no at large. Dance all the many parties the two per di oh mu ko musa jacket ya. So me a vulnerable so anke o me a vulnerable anke no about when MP or jacket ya. This can say no kwa. That's how the PNC the honorable. We don't do respect. Let him try ye. Well, madam say bin CBM. E bin CBM. Chira wa dwe ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Media. Agra.